Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for tuning back in. It's a beautiful Sunday, and we are actually on our way to IMKAY's meet here in Irvine. We're gonna go check that out, taking the Grom, so I'll probably be the only Grom there amongst all the super bikes, but it's fine. It'll be a great time either way. Yeah, so in case you guys didn't see, I have about a 2 or 3 day gap since my last upload. My actual chin mount ended up separating from the 3M tape, and so I couldn't use it. And right now I'm using this temporary mount, if you guys can see it. It's like one of those side helmet mounts. Now the issue is I have a Bell MIPS DLX helmet, which has a lot of hard angles, and it's not a rounded out helmet, and these mounts are made for rounded helmets, so this mount is literally sticking on by just the edges, so I'm hoping it doesn't fall off today. If it does, I'm probably screwed. I'm gonna have to go grab it in the middle of the street, but hopefully this is a temporary solution until I get a replacement for the actual chin mount, because that's really the only best case scenario. I was seeing those ones that they like go through the visor and over the chin. Now those look like long-term solutions. The issue is with those, you can't close your visor all the way, so I'm not entirely sure the direction that I want to go. But besides all that, I hope you guys have been good. Sorry that I haven't uploaded, but yeah, so come with me while we take a little ride through Irvine on a Sunday afternoon down to IMKAY's meet. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of bikes and cool things to look at, so it'll be a good time. And sorry for the angle on this GoPro footage. If it's too far down, I can't really adjust it with how I have this mount set up right now. We're just gonna deal with it. It might be too low, might be too high, or just perfect, but hey, I put that shit center. I should probably move it because it does not belong here. Man, you immediately quit. You could have won that.
Hey, this one here. This one. You dump your head, you want your whole body.
Hey, that water about to turn brown.
Grab you by your leg. All that dust is about to come off.
Okay, you ready? Man, it's dirty. That water about to be black when it come out.
Oh, it's not even. Hey, I'm up to be judged. Hey, 20 seconds. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, kill him. Yeah, grab him. Yeah, grab him.
I can't go in no more.
Waterboard is that? What the fuck?
That was
There's not enough water. I'm trying to go in. My hand is stuck.
All you did was get pulled in. That's it.
That was a set.
See you on
Hey yo, real power. There you go. What's up guys? So we just left the meet. We're actually headed back home. This is a good time. We got to see a few of the homies. Oh, okay. That was weird. Yeah, it was a good time. We got to see a lot of the homies and just kick it. Yeah, there's quite a bit of bikes, to be honest. A lot more than I expected. The funny part is, it took the Grom. In my head, I was thinking there'd probably be, you know, a few Groms or, I don't know, Ruckuses or anything, to be honest. I ended up being the only Grom there, which is actually pretty funny, because I'm pulling up and it's basically all R1s, S1000s, and then Ducatis. And then here I am with the little Grom that could. And I don't know, it was really funny to pull up, because I feel like everyone was staring, which I'm sure they probably were, wondering why the hell I'm here at this meet. But hey man, I had a lot of fun. I ended up getting to meet a few people and then getting to see some homies from the Inland Empire that I haven't seen in a while. So all in all, I'd say it was a good day. It stayed a little bit longer than I expected, but and by the way, you guys are located on my head now because the chin mount I had fell off, which is what I kind of expected, given it was only on the helmet by 4 corners, because it wasn't completely laid down given the angles of the helmet. So chin mount is off. We're using the top of the helmet, so the view is probably a little bit more shitty. But hopefully we'll have that resolved. We can get a replacement for the chin mount